is AutoDave from Martin's Auto Repair. In these crazy times with the coronavirus and everybody being quarantined and social distancing, we've taken a little bit different measures at Martin's Auto Repair to keep everybody safe. We've closed our waiting room. We've also moved our drop-off and pickup table outside, which the weather's really beautiful, so that's a good thing. I'm thinking about moving my office outside too. So when you come down to Martin's Auto Repair, you're going to come up to the front of the building and you're going to see the table sitting right out here. This is where our new check-in is and our new pickup is. And we do offer a concierge service, so if you'd like us to pick up your car, just give us a call and we'll schedule it and come pick up your car. If you need a loaner car, we have those too. We can get you a car for the day if you need to be somewhere. And also, if you just need a ride home, we'll be happy to do that. We'll even take the long way home so you can get a little bit of a break from the family. I hope you have a great day and stay safe, and we thank you for your trust in us.